Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Now, with just about 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close on this Wednesday, March 4th, the Nasdaq-100 is trading higher along with the broader market, trying to erase some of yesterday's sharp decline that took place despite the Federal Reserve announcing a mid-meeting 50 basis point rate cut to help offset the impact to the global economy from the coronavirus on businesses. Helping to move stocks higher is Joe Biden's victory in the Super Tuesday Democratic primary, as he is viewed more friendly to stocks as compared to Bernie Sanders, who previously was leading the field. And finally, at 1 p.m. Eastern, it was announced that congressional lawmakers struck a deal on an $8 billion spending package to fund the U.S. response to the coronavirus outbreak. Now, obviously, the coronavirus outbreak response by the government and management teams, it's still very fluid. Traders are also watching the 10-year Treasury note with yields below 1%. Typically, when yields move lower, so do stocks, as it's perceived that investors are moving money out of stocks and into safe havens such as bonds, hence the lower yield. Today is obviously a different narrative with the Biden bounce. So basically, we're really grappling with what is actually priced into the markets. In terms of what's leading the performance of the Nasdaq-100, it's really a mixed bag, with JD.com taking the top spot, followed by Take-Two, Regeneron, Micron, and NetEase, while travel stocks like Expedia, Marriott, American, and United are lagging as a result of the coronavirus impact, with a significant wave of corporate event cancellations due to the outbreak and tourism expectations. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.